Some technologies, we have to know about some practical application and how systems gonna work in a real life implementation. So for that matter, in this 21st century, the world ecosystem is gonna be shifted from lowest level to highest level, time by time, year by year, season by season. So in order to balance that system, some technological companies are building the technology made temperature sensing equipment for many industrial appliances. For that matter, here our system, which is indoor, the control cabinet. That control cabinet needs some coolant system where when one is the temperature is above from the ambient one. So for that case, we install this Rittal thermostat. So this is working on both AC and DC system. We have installed in here. So its main function is one is the temperature is above from the ambient temperature. Then this Rittal is gonna be restart the pan. So the pan is not be working randomly when the system starts working, but one is the temperature beyond from the stated value. This fan is gonna be initiate. So one is fan gonna initiate it, which is gonna be cool down the interior system of the control cabinet because it is indoor system. So that is how the retail thermostat gonna be.